Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to go about making a Sankey diagram.
If you haven't heard of a Sankey diagram, they can be super helpful.
They're very cool, a little bit complicated to set up. Got an image here of an example. Basically, it's just a chart that shows you the flow of data over time, kind of the input and output of data, which can be very useful and a great way to visualize data. I have some sample data here that are some different sources of traffic for, let's say, a media company, everyone reaching the sign up page, and then what the outcome is. And so basically what we have to do is we have to structure our data in a way that we have at least two steps and a weight. So what the weight is going to do is going to dictate how much of the flow is going at the output, how much is going to go in whichever direction, right? And then the other steps, the first step is going to be input, what's coming in through social media, what's coming through direct media, referral. And then step two is that everything is going to hit the sign up page. So all the traffic is going to that sign up page. And then step three is going to be our outcome. So of the social media, what was the people that subscribed? And there's the weight of that, how many were bounced or rejected, this they didn't go through with subscribing. So you've got like a 3/4 to a quarter split there. And then direct media is going to be the same thing. And so as you're setting up your data for Sankey diagram as well, what you are going to want to do is kind of structure the data similar to this so that it has logical flow into the different steps. And so just something to play around with, figure out what's going to make the most sense for you. And I'm doing this, I should have mentioned, in Google Sheets. Excel can be a little bit more complicated. You can sign up for different add-ons and do it that route, but today we want to show you Google Sheets, which some people online say that it is easier and it's a little bit more straightforward. I think it's the exact same, and I'll show you why here. So Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in Sankey diagram tool. It essentially just has add-ons as well. So what we're going to need to do it, so if we were to select our data here, for example, normally you just go to Insert, Chart, and you'd be able to select the chart type. You can scroll through and look at what's available, but unfortunately we don't have that available to us, so we can't go ahead and complete the Sankey diagram. So what we are going to do is we can go to extensions, we can go to add-ons, and we can get add-ons. So in Google Sheets there are a number of different things that you can add, different tools that can help elevate what you're getting done beyond what Google Sheet offers. And so in this situation, there's a couple things that we can look at if we want to get the Sankey diagram. One is Sankey diagram for Google Sheets. Visio chart, you'll notice it's for $4.99, so there is a subscription tied to it. There's another option, which is Chart Expo, which it doesn't say that there is a subscription here just by the description. I'll click on it here. It does ask you to pay. We can try it out. It'll give you a watermark, or you can sign up for a free trial. But anyways, this is what we're going to do. So we'll just go ahead and get the Chart Expo add-on. So we'll hit install here, and then we'll go to continue. And something I should mention, you're going to have to sign in through your account. You're going to have to make sure that everything is correct. And it's going to ask you for all sorts of different permissions to log into your Google Sheets to get access to it. So, I would avoid using any personal data, but it's going to just ask you for access to the spreadsheets, whatnot. Make sure you look through that carefully. So we'll hit OK. We're going to continue. And then it's pretty quick, and then we'll just hit done there, and then we'll X out of here. And really nothing is going to look different, but if you go to extensions, so this is something to note, add-ons. Let's say you want to get rid of it. Before we get into that, you just go to manage, and you can right click the three dots here, uninstall. Obviously we don't do that just yet. So we'll go to extensions, and then right here is charts, graphs, and visualizations by Chart Expo. So we're just going to hit open here. And what it's going to do is there's going to be a sidebar that's going to pop up, and it's going to allow us to look at some of the charts and data that are available through this add-on. So we're going to just hit add new chart, and right here we have a Sankey chart. You can go ahead and look at what different charts are available. We are just going to do the Sankey though. And it's going to take a second to load, so it's going to say select what sheet. We're just going to use our sheet 1 data here. and it's going to ask my data has headers, what row is it in, all of this stuff. So it's automatically pulling it. You can go in and adjust, but basically here it's defaulting to what we have. If you want to update it, we're starting, select your data, it's starting row 2 and then ending row 7, and then that's all we need for that. And then it's just showing level 1 columns. It's got the headers here, so just mapping everything correctly. So we're going to go ahead and hit create chart. And it's going to take a second, and it's going to generate the image that we're looking for. So this is, exactly what the Sankey diagram should look like. So again, we had all of our social media interactions, that traffic, and then it's going to our sign up page, or step 2 is that interaction. And then from there, it's showing us how many people subscribed from where. So we've got our social media, direct media, referral, and it's showing of all those people that got to that sign up page interaction, what of them subscribed, and then what of those people didn't end up subscribing. And so just a great way, an easy way to visualize this and make things nice and easy. So something else I want to know, there's a couple things you can do at the bottom. It says you can add chart to sheet, and that's going to directly link your chart that you've created to your Google Sheets. You also can export it if you just want the image to use it for other documentation. So some useful tips there as well. You can just export this as is. You're going to have that watermark, unfortunately. You can click on watermark here, and you can subscribe. You can pay $10 a month, or there is a free trial that you can do if you're just needing like one chart. But this is a very simple, easy way to go about it if you are not worried about the visual of what it looks like and just kind of looking at the data. Unfortunately, that's probably not the case for most people, but just wanted to share this as an option for those of you looking to create Sankey diagrams in Google Sheets. Hopefully this was helpful. Please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to get some feedback, and remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.